Alright, so the next job is, obviously I need to replace, as I said, these rails. I've already taken off the top rack, so I've just got to unbolt these grab rails before I can start getting into everything. So that's one out of the way. It's the second rail out of the way. So I'll just put these to one side for now. We'll start getting this plastic off. Right, so I've actually got a bolt there. And one there, same on the other side. So let me get that off, join me again in a few minutes. Alright, so that's the plastic removed. I actually thought it was another bolt either side underneath, but it wasn't. It was just literally, one's a bolt in here, same on the other side, and there it is sitting up there, just lift it off. So that now gives me access to, as I say, you can now see that rail of how bad it is. So just got bolts here, 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 here and here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. So that's the next job. So this is a combination of 12 and 10mm bolts. So the first thing I need to do is remove these two. That will lift this metal plate, and I need to do the same on the other side. Alright, this one's got a nut on the back. Same on the other side for this. Now weld plate just lifts off out of the way. Right, so that's that bit out of the way. Next one is this one. Last one is this one. That's swapping from a 12 back to a 10. Right, that's the whole rail. Next, we have to take out these, so we can take out the lock and fit that to the new one. As you can see, big, nice big crack through that. Right, back to the bench then. So these are actually 7mm. So that's out for the old one. Now the replacement. Obviously not forgetting the little bracket on the back. Alright, basically exactly the same as we took it out. So the bracket in. And goes the locking mechanism. Put a little bit of grease on these threads. Alright, that's basically back in place. Quick wipe over, back in the bike. Alright, time to reinstall. So basically a repeat of how we took it apart. Alright, so all I've got left is just these two bolts here. I'm going to quickly change out the other side, exactly the same as what I've just done. Join me again in a few minutes. Right, so that side's now done. So it's just basically back on. With the metal plate. Slide that over. Got the long bolt with the nut, goes through the first one. Try and get that lined up. Here we go. Right, that's firm. I'll I've just got the bolts to do the other side, then I can put the tail piece back on. Alright, so that's nicely in there now, all bolted up, same on the other side. So let's get this tail piece on. Right, tail piece, just reconnect the brake lights. So that's nicely in place. Let's bolt it in, so same again on the other side. There we go. Basically, the grab rails, I put them in place. I'm actually going to repaint the givey rack. So let's get these grab rails in. That's just about it. That's basically how to replace the pannier rail. It's a lot stronger now. So I've got everything done I wanted to do. So thanks for joining me on that one. I hope that one was helpful. As I say, big thank you to Peter. Much appreciated that one. I hope the videos actually come out as well as you hoped. So hopefully next episode, if the metal turns up, I can start looking at this dash shelf. As I say, I've got the plans for it. So I've actually cut out templates. But as I say, I'm just waiting for the piece of metal to turn up. Bought it off eBay, so it's already been delayed. If it hasn't turned up by the next episode, I'm going to starting on the Z650. Get the engine out, put it on the bench, start looking at what I'm dealing with, having a look at the parts that I've got, and having basically a sort through, see what I want, see what I don't want. You'll also find I'm now basically fully done on Patron now. It took a while to actually try and understand it, and there are a range of donation tiers ranging from $1 a month to $10 a month with different benefits, etc. So subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. You'll also find a link to Patreon in the bottom left hand corner. There's also a link in the description to my Patreon site. So any donations greatly accepted. It helps run my channel. It will help. It helps by paint, sandpapers. As I say, I'm looking at obviously replacing the electric lights in here because they're not that good. I want to basically grow and expand my channel. So any help I get is greatly appreciated. Alternatively, I've now set up a, so to say, tip cup. So if you just want to donate or help on a particular video that you like, again, there's a link in the description below to my tip cup. Again, every donation much appreciated. Links to other videos in top left and top right. There's normally a best for viewer and a playlist, so please go and check them out. And join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.